people, how are you all? As you must have noticed by the title of this video, today is my birthday, so happy birthday to me. How are you all doing? I hope everybody is doing fine. Is any one of you celebrating your birthday today? If you are, wish you a happy birthday. If it's your birthday, please mention it in the comments. So let's start with this video. So just to begin, I have some nice cake for you guys here. This is brown cake with raisins. And I also have something to drink. This is grape juice. I do not drink alcohol at all, so this is what I will be drinking with you. Let's celebrate together. We'll open it. This is very famous in UAE. I love red grape juice so much, it's my favorite. No sugar added, 100% goodness. So, okay. Cheers to you all on my birthday. Cheers to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being here up till today. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much. If you have recently started watching my video, thank you. And if you have just stumbled upon my video right now, this is the right time to get to know me. This is a get to know me video. I'm going to share with you 15 facts of my life that many of you are interested in knowing. I get a lot of messages on Facebook and Instagram asking about myself and a lot of questions. So I said I might as well summon it all in one video and bring it all to you for those who are interested in getting to know me. So let me sip this for us all. Cheers. It's nice. And here's some cake. Okay, so let's start with the video. I have made a note of all the points that I will be sharing. So if you happen to see me looking and reading, understand that I'm admitting that I'm reading the points that I'm telling you. So point number one, fact number one is that I have a son. He is 12 years old and he lives in India with my family. Next month, he will be 13 years old. So excited to have a big boy, a big teenager son. So that's point number one. Point number two, fact number two is that I have a twin brother and we are celebrating our birthdays today as well. So happy birthday, Nelson. His name is Nelson. He is an MMA, professional MMA fighter. He lives in Goa. He has his own gym as well. He is an instructor. So yes. And if you want to know more, we are 3 sisters and 1 brother. So in total we are 4 twins and 2 sisters. Okay, so point number 3 is I can speak in 3 Indian languages. One is Hindi, Konkani, that is Goan language, it's called Konkani, and Marathi, that's from Maharashtra because I used to work in Pune and I have also lived there for a long time in Pune. I was working there. So these are the 3 languages that I can speak in India. Indian local languages, I mean. Point number 4. My first job was in a city of Maharashtra. It's called Pune. That's a very popular city and I love it. That's my favorite city. As a front desk receptionist. Number 5 is I was very boyish in school. I was a tomboy in school. And there was a time in one of the years, I cannot remember the year very well. There was this World Cup happening that time and Brazil was very famous. And if you all know Ronaldo was very famous back then. And it so happened that accidentally I got bald. Not accidentally, but at that same time I happened to get bald. I took off all the hair, not me, but my elder sister helped me. She shaved all my hair off and I was bald. And then I came from vacation and everybody saw me in the school. So the first thing that came to their mind was Ronaldo because Ronaldo was very famous and I was bald at that time. So and that name stuck by For a long time, at least till I was 13 years old, they kept calling me Ronaldo. In the beginning, I was enjoying it, but as I was growing, I did not enjoy it, but it was okay. That's the part of life. So point number 6, I have visited 3 countries so far. That is Israel. I had gone to visit the Holy Land. I was in Qatar. I was working there. I worked for about a year there, and I'm currently working in UAE. So that's point number 6. Point number 7 is, to be precise, I came to UAE on 17th of February 2015. So this year in 21, on the 17th of February, I will complete 6 years in UAE. Oh, my religion, because many have been asking me, my religion is Catholic. I'm a Roman Catholic, but I'm very respectful to all the religions. I have been to the temples in India. I have been to the mosque also in UAE about 2 or 3 times with my Pakistani friend. Her name is Ramsha. Ramsha, if you're watching, hi. I'm missing you and waiting to see you soon. Okay, let's get back again. Then point number 9 is my dream destination. My dream destination is Jamaica. Ooh, I love Jamaicans. I love their culture. I love the language that they speak Patois. I like their lifestyle. I like their reggae beats. Oh, it's my favorite. I love this country. It's my dream destination. Point number 10 is I love long walks. I can keep walking hours together. Anybody wants to accompany me, anybody wants to go with me for a talk, something like that. Walking is the best thing that I choose over dinners or anything. Walk with me and talk with me. Oof, I'm going to enjoy myself. But at the same time, I'm not into any kind of sports activities. I don't go to the gym. I don't exercise. I don't do yoga. I don't do any form of exercises. Because many people keep asking me, are you into fitness? Are you into fitness? No, I'm not into fitness. My only exercise is walking. I enjoy walking, and I think that's what is my form of workout. So let's go to the next point is I love animals so much, especially cats and dogs or any animal, and I always wish to open a nice animal shelter for them when I go to India for good. That's my dream, where I can help all the street animals, especially the disabled animals. I have so much compassion for disabled animals, and I always wish that if I go back to India, if I have to have animals in my house, that will be either a blind cat or if there is a limb missing of a dog or animals, because I think they need more care, they need more attention, and I would love to do that for myself. That's something that I wish to do. Let's go further, and then I can do something very weird. Now we are talking about point number 12. This is 12. Point number 12 is I can do something weird. I'm sure you all can do something weird that not everybody else can do, and that is I can stick my tongue to the nose. Can you do it? Let's try together. So this is something that's weird that I can do. If you're able to do it as well, give me a like or mention it in the comment. Let's go further. I love music so much, and I have no specific genre. I love any kind of music. I can listen to any language. Something that is upbeat, something that will keep me groovy. That's my kind of music. Anything that will move me, that's my music. Okay, let's go further. Now, point number 14. I love learning about different countries and cultures and religions. In the past, I had a lot of friends. I can remember I miss all those friends, but eventually they kept leaving the countries and then they kept moving ahead. But I love getting to know people of different countries, about cultures. We like to discuss. So if I get to know a new person, the first thing is I will ask about their place, and that's how we will share information. I share about mine, they share about theirs. So that's something of my interest. That's my interest. I also like to watch documentaries and get to know information on the YouTube as well. And the last but not the least is I always wanted to have my YouTube channel since many years. since I was very young. I cannot remember that. And I also made a lot of videos, but then I never knew how to edit the videos, and I never knew how to upload the videos. My elder sister helped me. I used to love to dance, so I thought that okay, I'm going to upload dance videos. So she used to help me choreograph dance videos. She used to help me to dress up, and then she used to also shoot the videos for me. But it so happened that I never knew how to edit, how to upload. I had no information. I never even bothered asking. I also had a lot of cooking videos. Maybe if one day if I have the right time, or maybe if I have the right interest, then I'm going to sit and I'm going to show you all these old videos that I used to make, but I never uploaded them. So I think this is the right time, and I'm so happy that I finally have my own YouTube channel. I have few subscribers, but thank you so much for all my subscribers, and I wish to get many more subscribers. Today is the day, today is my birthday. Don't gift me anything, give me a like and subscribe. Please subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed this 15 points that I shared with you. If you have any questions, if you feel that I can make some videos that will keep you interested, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Wait, let's have a piece of cake. This is a cake for you guys. Now I'm going to go and share it with my friends. But first I'm going to take a small piece for you all. My birthday cake, true. But since you all cannot eat it, I will eat it. It's good. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. And most importantly, continue spreading the love.